Okay, that's Anthony. Yeah, that's our keys. I'm just gonna act like. Come on. He gonna put that in Alex's face. But don't say nothing. Don't make it obvious.
Alright.
We just gonna sit here.
I got you.
That's going interesting. Hurry up!
Too slow.
Okay. We're gonna have to wait for him.
You with the hood. Rico Suave.
Call him.
Man, oh, you would have got it. Alex, right there.
Right there in the hallway.
Where?
Right there in the hallway, straight.
Straight
This way.
Hello, baby. Put it on me. Yeah, we're like hovering.
Give me it.